The Saab 2000 is a twin-engined high-speed turboprop airliner built by Saab. It was designed to carry 50 to 58 passengers and cruise at a speed of 665 km per hour. Production took place in Linköping in southern Sweden. The Saab 2000 first flew in March 1992 and was certified in 1994. The last aircraft was delivered in April 1999, a total of 63 aircraft being built and 33 remaining in service as of July 2013. Development and design. Saab decided to build the 2000 in December 1988 due to perceived demand for a high-speed turboprop which could approach the speeds of jet aircraft while retaining the efficiency provided by turboprop engines. The company had previously introduced the smaller Saab 340 twin-turboprop aircraft. The Saab 2000 first flew on March 26, 1992 and entered into scheduled airline service in 1994, a few months after its certification by the Joint Aviation Authorities in March and the Federal Aviation Administration in April. The Saab 2000 had a 15% greater wingspan than the Saab 340, and being over 24 ft 9 inches longer could fit up to 58 passengers. The 2000 was the first commercial aircraft to use the 4591 SHP Rolls-Royce Armed Forces Europe 2100 turboprop engines, driving slow-turning six-bladed Doughty-Rotal propellers. One engine was mounted on each wing, as in the 340, with the engines placed further from the fuselage than those of the 340 to reduce cabin noise. Operational history. Sales of the Saab 2000 were fairly limited. The major initial customer was Crossair, a regional airline which had Swissair as a 56% shareholder. Crossair took delivery of 34 aircraft and was still operating the type in 2005. Due to limited demand, Saab ceased production of the Saab 2000 in 1999, with the last aircraft being delivered to Crossair on April 29 of that year. General Motors operated several corporate-configured Saab 2000s and was in talks with new startup air carrier Pro Air to have this airline operate them in scheduled service as Pro Air Express in the U.S. However, Pro Air then encountered financial difficulties and ceased all operations before the deal could be consummated. By the year 2013, 57 Saab 2000 aircraft remained in service. The primary reason for the low sales was the success of newly introduced regional jets such as the Bombardier CRJ and Embraer ERJ145 family, which provided better performance and passenger comfort for the same initial price. Some smaller airlines, including Eastern Airways in the UK, have subsequently acquired 2000s at low cost and operated them on regional routes which experience lower passenger numbers. In June 2006, Pakistan completed the purchase of 6 Saab 2000 turboprop aircraft to be equipped with a Saab Ericsson ARIA airborne early warning system. Revised in May 2007 due to renegotiation with the government of Pakistan, only 5 aircraft will be delivered, 4 of which will be equipped with the ARIA system. On April 3, 2008, the first Saab 2000 ARIA AW&C was rolled out and presented to Pakistan Air Force officials during a ceremony in Sweden. Variants: Saab 2000, 50 a Euro 58-seat regional airliner. Saab 2000 FI, flight inspection aircraft for the Japan Civil Aviation Bureau, 2 produced. Saab 2000 AEW&C, airborne early warning and control variant fitted with ARIA active electronically scan array radar and associated mission systems. Saab 2000 Airtractor, SIGINT aircraft, Saab 2000 MPA, maritime patrol aircraft, operators, civilian operators. As of July 2013, a total of 33 Saab 2000 remained in airline service, operated by BA City Flyer, Brathens Regional, Darwin Airline, Eastern Airways, Polet Airlines, Logama. Accidents and incidents. On July 10, 2002, Crossair Flight 850, a Saab 2000, was forced to make an emergency landing at Wernicken Airfield, Germany, as a result of severe weather. One of the 16 passengers on board suffered minor injuries. The aircraft, registered as HBIZY, was damaged beyond economic repair when it hit an earth bank placed across the runway, the markings of which did not conform to standards. On August 16, 2012, a Saab 2000 AEW&C from the Pakistan Air Force was destroyed when the base camera came under attack. 2 other aircraft was also so damaged. Specifications, data from Brass's World Aircraft and Systems Directory 1999/2000, General Characteristics, Crew, 2, Capacity, 50 58 passengers, Payload, 5,900 kilograms, Length, 27.28 meters, Wingspan, 24.76 m, Height, 7.73 m, Wing Area, 55.7 mi², Airfoil, NASA Miss, 1.013, Aspect Ratio, 11.0, Empty Weight, 13,800 kilograms, Max Takeoff Weight, 22,800 kilograms, Power Plant, 2A, Allison Armed Forces Europe, 2100A turboprop. 3,096 kilowatts each, propellers, 6-blade constant-speed Doughty propellers, 1 per engine, performance, cruise speed, 665 km per hour, service ceiling, 9,450 m, rate of climb, 11.4 meters per second, avionics, Rockwell Collins ProLine 4 avionics suite with integrated avionics processor, see also, related development, Saab 340, aircraft of comparable role, configuration and era, Antonov 24/XE/Y7/XE and MA60, Antonov 140, ATR-72, BAN ATP, Bombardier-8 Series 300, CASAIPTNCN. -235, CASA 3000, Fokker 50, Ilyushin Il-114, related lists, list of civil aircraft, references. Lambert, Mark. Jane's All the World's Aircraft 1993 Euro 94. Coulston, UK, Jane's Data Division, 1993. ISBN 0-7106-1066-1. Taylor, Michael J. H. Brass's World Aircraft and Systems Directory 1999/2000. London, Brass's, 1999. ISBN 1-85753-245-7. World Airliner Census. Flight International, Volume 184, Number 5403, 13 Euro August 19, 2013, pages 40 Euro 58. External links, Saab Aircraft Leasing, Aerospace Technology, Airliners. Plane Spotters.